It's 2 a.m., the world is asleep, but you're still awake. The house is silent. No traffic, no voices, just the soft ticking of the clock echoing louder with every passing second. Your body feels heavy, like it's begging you to rest. Your eyes burn, your limbs ache, and yet your mind refuses to let go. Thoughts keep coming. Old conversations, unfinished worries. What if scenarios that don't even make sense right now? You turn the pillow. You pull the blanket tighter. You check the time and immediately regret it. Because now you know it's late. And the pressure starts building. If I don't fall asleep now, tomorrow is ruined. Let me stop you right here. If this has happened to you, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not weak. You are not failing, and you are not broken. What you are experiencing is something millions of good, intelligent, hardworking people go through every single night. Insomnia doesn't mean your body forgot how to sleep. It means your brain is stuck in protection mode. Your brain thinks it needs to stay alert. It thinks something is wrong. And when your brain feels unsafe, it will not allow sleep, no matter how tired you are. Sleep is not something you can force. You cannot bully your brain into resting. Sleep happens only when your nervous system feels safe enough to let go. And here's something most people never tell you. As we get older, this sleep system becomes more sensitive. The hormone melatonin, which gently tells your brain it's time to shut down, doesn't flow as easily anymore. At the same time, stress hormones like cortisol stay switched on longer than they should. So your body is exhausted. But your brain is still on duty. That's why you lie there, wide awake at 2 a.m., wondering what's wrong with you, when in reality, your brain is just trying to protect you the only way it knows how, and the consequences of poor sleep go deeper than tiredness. When you don't sleep well, your brain can't clean itself. Toxins build up. Memory weakens. Emotions become heavier. Small problems feel overwhelming. Anxiety grows louder. Your body ages faster, not because of time, but because of missed recovery. But now comes the part I really want you to remember. Your body wants to sleep. It always has. You do not need sleeping pills that leave you groggy. You do not need expensive devices. You do not need to fight your body. You simply need to remind your nervous system that it is safe again. Think of your brain like a frightened child. You don't shout at a child to calm down. You don't rush them. You reassure them. You slow things down. You change the environment. Darkness tells your brain it's night. Silence tells it there's no danger. Cool air tells it it's time to rest. This is why screens at night are so damaging. Blue light tells your brain the sun is still up. It cancels melatonin before it even has a chance to work. Replacing screens with dim lights, soft sounds, or quiet moments sends a powerful message to your nervous system. You're safe now. Late meals confuse your body too. When digestion is active, sleep cannot fully begin. Giving your body a few quiet hours before bed allows it to shift from survival mode into repair mode. And here's something beautifully simple: morning sunlight. Just a few minutes of natural light in the morning resets your internal clock. It teaches your brain when to wake, so it knows exactly when to sleep later. Temperature matters more than you think. Your body needs to cool slightly to fall asleep. A cool room with warm blankets creates the perfect signal. It tells your brain, it's night. It's okay to let go. And consistency, going to bed and waking up at the same time, slowly rebuilds trust between you and your nervous system. Over time, sleep stops being a struggle and starts becoming natural again. Sleep is not a luxury. It is not a weakness. It is not something you earn by exhaustion. Sleep is your body's deepest form of healing. And tonight, even if sleep feels far away, remember this: your body remembers how to rest. You are not starting from zero. You are simply reminding yourself of something you already know. If this video brought you comfort, if it made you feel understood, please subscribe and save it. There will be nights when you need to hear this again, and this video will be right here, waiting for you. Be patient with yourself. Your body wants to sleep. We're just helping it feel safe enough to do so. Good night. Sleep gently. And I'll see you in the next video.